With the permissions of the organizers, uh, we begin the third day. So, on behalf of the entire team of ICANN Care, IHBAS, and Gujarat University, I welcome each and every one of you to the third day of the International E-Conclave on Tobacco Cessation. Welcome our Chief Patron, Rotarian Kalyan Banerjee, our Patron, Professor MC Mishra, Chairperson, Professor Dr. Nimesh Desai, and our Co-Chairperson, Dr. Rakesh Rawal from Gujarat University. I also like to welcome the entire organizing committee who have made this particular event, which a month-long event, divided into four sessions to be a fruitful event. For tobacco effective implementation of tobacco cessation. I would also like to thank our supporters with whose help we could materialize this and make it a reality, make this event a reality. I would like to thank ISO, FHNO, Indian Chess Society, Delhi Psychiatry Society, CMHARTS, RAG, AP, RSD Hospital, and IDS and Santosh University. I would also extend my gratitude to our pharma partners.
So, with this, I go to our next program, and that is a very interesting program, and that is on the quiz. And the quiz master, I'll just like to invite the quiz master. Yeah, Dr. Adita, she's here, Dr. Adita, as the quiz master. Yeah, hi, Dr. Adita. So, just introducing Dr. Adita. Dr. Adita is a psychiatrist, and she has got more than 10 years of experience, and she has been working at the Navi Care Clinic at Andheri. So she has got, of course, has got a lot of experience in various de-addiction program as well as for tobacco. So without wasting much of time, we will just get into the quiz. So we would like to thank our supporters, that is the Triscare, the Tobacco Nil, and the No Smoke, for providing the support that we required for the program. And of course, this is the community page, and we have already had the instructions. Please fill up all this: email, mobile, name, institute, city, and occupation. And I think we are ready for the quiz. All over to you, Dr. Adita.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir, and all the best to everyone for the quiz. So I would like to start the quiz with first question, which is that which one of the following is likely to be the most effective at helping smokers quit? The first option is group behavior therapy, self-help materials, opioid antagonists such as naltrexone, or quitline. So we move on to question number 2. Which of the following best reflects the evidence on smoking cessation interventions to increase the chances of quitting? First is there is good evidence that acupuncture is more effective than control. Second, there is good evidence that hypnotherapy increases rate of abstinence at 6 months more than no treatment. Third is, although physicians commonly advise their patients to quit, there is no good evidence that such advice increases the odds of quitting. And the last is, although training health professionals to ask patients about smoking and to offer them treatment leads to an increase in number of smokers offered advice and support, there is no evidence that such training leads to more people quitting. Third question, which one of the following is a risk factor for smoking in adolescence? First, higher socioeconomic status. Second, participation in extracurricular activities, including sports. Third is emotional closeness to parents. And fourth is physical or sexual abuse. Question number 4. Roughly, what is the percentage of attempts to quit smoking without assistance that are successful? 1% to 10%, 30 to 40%, 60 to 70%, or 90 to 100%? Number 5. Which one of the following statements best reflects the evidence on different forms and doses of NRT for treating nicotine addiction? First, there is good evidence that therapy provided in the form of gum is superior to therapy in form of nasal spray or an inhaler at achieving abstinence. Second, there is good evidence that oral therapy is superior to patches at achieving abstinence. And third, in highly dependent smokers, there is good evidence that a 4 milligram dose of gum is more effective than 2 milligram dose in achieving abstinence. Number 6, no cheating on first day of NRT increases your chance of quitting smoking by factor of 3, 5, 10 or 20. Number 7, ABCD of tobacco cessation includes all except A, behavior changes, B, active motivation, C, comorbidity management, and D, diet restrictions. Number 8, which of the following is accurate about NRT? Transdermal nicotine patches are associated with lower compliance rates and higher side effects than NRT designed for acute dosing. B, nicotine gum is the NRT capable of delivering nicotine the most rapidly. C, the amount of nicotine absorbed per nicotine lozenge is somewhat lower than that absorbed from nicotine gum. And D, NRT use increases the quit rate by 50 to 70% and increase appears independent of any additional support provided. Number 9, when is the World No Tobacco Day? June 1, November 23, May 31st or November 7th? Number 10, what is the full form of SHS? There is a hint here that if father smokes, other members of a family are prone to. Number A, short, higher smoking. Number B, second-hand smoke. Number C, second harmful smoke. And number D is second hated smoke. Question number 11. Which company introduced the first nicotine transdermal patches in India for NRT? First, Tobacconil by Rusan Pharma. Second, Nicotex by Cipla. Third, Nixit. And fourth is Nicoderm. Number 12. The only country in the world which has banned tobacco use in the country. A, Republic of Malta. B, Vatican City. C, Bhutan, and D, Republic of San Marino. Number 13, who introduced tobacco for the first time in India in 17th to 18th century? Portuguese merchant, British East India Company, Alexander III, or native Indians? Number 14, which of the statement is true about cigarette butts? Butts never break down completely. B, butts cause toxic effects on environment. C, butts are the most common item littered on the roadways and beaches. D, all of the above, or E, none of the above. Number 15, what percentage of male doctors smoke as per WHO stats? 50%, 40%, 60%, or 30%? Number 16, the famous quote, smoking is easy to quit, I have quit hundreds of times, was by Albert Einstein, King George I, Shakespeare, or Mark Twain? Number 17, the only company popularized tobacco cessation in India extensively is WHO, UNDP, ICANN-CARE, or WeCare. Number 18, submucosal fibrosis is caused by areca nut, nicotine, flame lime, or pan leaf. Number 19, most addictive substance in the world is heroin, cocaine, nicotine, or alcohol. Number 20, for tobacco cessation, the 360 intervention includes behavior therapy, pharmacotherapy, comorbidity management, oral screening, relapse management, or all of the above. So this is compulsory. Would you practice tobacco intervention in your routine after this workshop? It's either yes, no. I want to start a eye care tobacco wellness and oral screening center, or I want to get trained in tobacco intervention. This is a compulsory question to answer. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Dr. Adita. And I think it must have been a lot of exciting questions that you have set, and a lot of participants must be quite excited to answer the questions. So
thank you, sir, for giving me the opportunity to be the quiz master for the day.